Okay, we are going to set up the computer in the sound booth to record a service. The first thing we need to do is wake up said computer, so we can just tap on the space bar, move the mouse, and it should come to life. There it is. So if you hit the space bar again, you will get the login screen, and there's our scary login screen guy. So type in the password. In the Worship Center, the password is worship, all lowercase. And if we were in the Fireside Room, it would be worship with the number 1. From the Start menu, we're going to launch a program called Nuendo Live. So click on that. It's the crooked red A shape. And after it wakes up, it's going to ask us what we want to do. And so we're going to go with what's already highlighted, which is New Project, Open Selection. Now we need to scroll up and find the hard drive that we record to, and in this case it's called WC Storage, so highlight that. Click New Folder, and then we need to name this folder, and we're doing a 6-digit date followed by the worship leader, and in this case it's going to be the kernel. So go ahead and click OK when you're done, and now we have a blank canvas, and to the left we see rows of tracks, and those all correspond to the channels on the mixer. So if on the mixing board we're using channels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then we would arm tracks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then when we hit record, then we are going to capture whatever audio is going to those channels of the board. We also want to capture the MC mic and the pastor's headset, and those are located on channels 23 and 24. And then also scroll down further, we want to get 31 and 32. Those are the crowd mics that capture the room, and finally 33 and 34, that's the main left and right mix. So once the appropriate tracks are armed, then up here at the top we'll find the record button a few minutes before service. Hit that and just let it go for the entire duration of service right through until the pastor dismisses and everybody leaves. There's no harm done in hitting record a little bit early and letting it record a little bit too long, but when you're done, push the stop button. You can X out. That'll take you to the project screen, hit quit, and then we can put the computer back to sleep. Take a look down here on the keyboard. There's a little moon. That'll put the computer to sleep. So hit that, and voila. Good night, precious computer.